Yeah,
We could put a...
they're just getting used to it.
Okay. We could put a little bit of water, just a little bit, like fill up, just like the bottom of the bathtub, maybe.
They're okay. No.
No.
They're not after the ducks. They're after the sticks.
And these...
Rock.
Ready? Floats. Lift up your feet, sis. No. Almost. No. Okay. Don't eat the pine needles.
What's their names?
Diamond and Jumpy. Jumpy should really be in there. Let's see if they'll eat a carrot piece. He tried. How about some onion? Good try.
Cabbage.
Hard for them. Jumpy.
Probably enough stuff in there for them. It's very colorful.
It even got a little bit of orange.
Orange and purple and green.
And a little bit of brown from them pooping. And some yellow and some black from them.
Yep.
They don't have brown or anything.